Welcome to the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. Today we'll talk about medical marijuana and DUI, driving under the influence. It's common knowledge at this point that Pennsylvania has passed legislation making marijuana legal for medical use. However, Pennsylvania's DUI laws have not evolved to account for what will be a new class of drivers who use medical marijuana. With these inconsistencies in Pennsylvania law, we expect to see more DUI charges and convictions for people who thought they were acting well within the law by lawfully using their medical marijuana. So why should an individual with a medical marijuana license and a driver's license be concerned? As it stands, Pennsylvania law states that it's illegal for an individual to drive, operate, or be in actual physical control of the movement of a motor vehicle if there is any amount of a Schedule I controlled substance. This includes marijuana, or the metabolite of a Schedule I controlled substance in that individual's blood. Simply put, if you're driving with any amount of marijuana or a metabolite of marijuana in your system, you can be convicted of DUI. Recently, we met with some clients who were charged with DUI even though they smoked marijuana legally 1 or several days prior to being pulled over and investigated by the police. These individuals were driving and stopped by the police well after the effects of marijuana had worn off. But they were lawfully charged with DUI because there were trace amounts of marijuana still in their system. One may be concerned if they use medical marijuana, even if it's on a limited basis, because they may always have traces of the substance in their blood and therefore could be subject to DUI charges. Similar to alcohol, smoking marijuana and driving immediately afterwards is extremely dangerous, and some people may neglect to realize that. This doesn't mean that all people who use medical marijuana, if used responsibly, are a danger to others on the road, but the use of medical marijuana may present a problem for a driver who is pulled over for a variety of reasons, and the police officer decides to conduct a blood test. If marijuana is in the blood, even medical marijuana, that will constitute a DUI and subject the driver to the highest level of penalties. If you've been charged with DUI, feel free to give one of Scaringi Law's criminal defense attorneys a call at 717-657-7770 for a free initial consultation. Well, that's all the time we have today for the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. Thanks for listening and enjoy your lunch.